Oh.
Oh, what?
Okay, so basically, like in my notes, I had a blank page, and apparently I just found that blank page and wrote in it, which was a terrible idea.
I know your notes are all jumbled.
Now my notes are
You're gonna be okay. I know you're sensitive, so.
I'm joking. I know.
Oh, you're having like a stage 4 meltdown. It's okay.
No, literally, it's in like the middle of everything.
Just put a post-it there, then you know where to go back.
I'll go to Miss Jen.
I have post-its here if you want.
I was gonna say it was worth the hype.
Like over with like this.
Arithmetic. Alexa, how are you doing?
One hour.
Which one are you on then? 7.5? You don't want to stress ball. That's fine. Don't. That's for me throwing at you guys. It's not funny when you do it to me.
No, I can't.
No.
Where are the sticky notes
I'm
at?
sensitive. Are you okay with a big one, or do you want a smaller one?
I think I'll be okay.
Okay.
I don't know. I might cry a little bit later.
Well, I know you're like super, like on edge about like the placement of your notes in your
I don't know
class.
what's part to say.
So.
Don't believe me.
Okay. So 1.1 was the arithmetic sequences. So that was just a pattern of numbers repeating all the time. An arithmetic series basically is when you take that sequence and just add it up.
Oh, like, what you call it, Fibonacci, whatever.
That's a sequence, yes.
Oh, okay.
But not in arithmetic. So,
Oh, wait, psych, I just found a blank paper of an assignment that I didn't do.
that sounds more like Sierra.
But all my stuff is still in order. So we're okay. So here's the thing, I should probably go back and finish that though.
Yeah, if you went back and did your work.
No, here's the thing, like I looked at it and I was confused. Because it's not needed that makes no sense.
You say that about every lesson, so now I'm
No, I
confused.
know, but no, it's one that like actually doesn't.
Extra.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. It's like, because there's like quadratics or like quadratics or whatever.
Oh, rationals.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was
terrible.
garbage.
You guys were doing fine with that when I left.
That was garbage. Yeah, but then you left.
No, right. My fault.
What are you guys talking about? Which part?
Wait, who is the role? Oh,
Next Loyola?
yeah, I forgot.
You already forgot
what?
about it?
You know, the 2 units we did with her, I actually got 198. I don't even know what I got on the second.
Really?
One. I left. Like, no, like I really got like high 90s.
Whoa, good for you. That's great. What are you on right now? Which one did you just finish with? You finished 5? Then go to 7.6.
No, but like, I know it's like, I'm like,
It's the sum of all the, I don't know.
Well, this actually is a step. I just need it that way.
Okay, so a series is just you're adding up all the terms in a sequence.
move the chair so that I can actually see.
Which one?
Like all of them.
Well, now you're getting to Andy.
I don't know, I can't do it.
Okay, so you're adding up all the terms in a sequence, okay?
You wrote of twice.
Oh, I did too. Good. Okay. So yesterday we had that sequence. Right? It's going up by 5 every time, so it's arithmetic.
I think
Aren't arithmetic and math just like synonyms?
Arithmetic?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I guess. I believe so. You're putting me on the spot now with math terms.
And an audience.
Yeah, stressful. So now let's say we just wanted to add these all up. There's a formula for that as well.
Formula that.
Well, you can, but let's say I wanted to say add up the first hundred terms. So you want to sit there and keep doing that? And I only gave you the first three. So you don't need to like figure them all out and add them up.
Technically, you just press plus 5 for 97.
You could, yeah. Technically, you could do that. Very good.
Very, very close.
But there's a formula for this.
It actually sucks that it wasn't just like starting at like 0, so you go 5, 10.
So Sn, that's for sum of the number of terms.
Okay.
Okay? So a lot of these terms here are the same. Like we know what n is, that's the number of terms we're looking for. T1 is just your first term, nothing new there. So if you look, this here is the exact formula that I gave you yesterday.
So we're building upon it.
Right? You build up on it, yes. Everything still means the same. N is your number of terms.
So it would be 100 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
D is still your difference.
My heat is what?
And Sn, sum of n number of terms. So like when I said, let's find the sum of the first 100 terms. It would be the S100 sum of the first 100 terms. So should we do that example now? I'll give you guys just a minute to take this down. Yeah, go for it.
That's a cool one.
It's a flask. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, sometimes it's black.
Very good, you hillbilly. Okay, so we're going to find the sum of the first 100 terms, like we said. So we go 100 over 2. My first term was 11, so it'd be 2 times 11. The difference of Does that make sense, everybody?
Wait, why are you already doing 2 times 11?
Because it's 2 times your first term, remember?
Oh.
This is those numbers up here.
Okay, well, I think I got it.
So I'll do this in a couple steps. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 22 plus 99 times 5.
495.
That's 495.
500.
Or isn't it technically 9?
Yeah, so it's 495.
It's 100 times 5. That's 5.
What?
500.
I don't remember that.
You just multiply. What's that?
517.
Oh, 5/17. Sorry. So then you multiply. This one maybe.
I got it.
Don't tell me.
Cool. No flow.
$350.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know, my calculator told me. They told me my birthday.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, formula is very similar to what you guys were doing yesterday. Now, there is a second formula as well.
How come we have two numbers as the answer?
No, 25,850 is the answer.
Oh, I thought it was.
Oh, like 25? Oh, sorry. No, it's
I
just
thought
How
it
can we
was
do that
just
comma?
25.
That's an American thing. You.
that's what we grew up with. Yeah, they get away from it now. They used to put that after every three,
Yeah.
after every 100.
It's so ugly.
So,
I just put the phone together just to think.
I will try to adapt.
Trying to kind of research feeling, you know, for your stuff.
Or another formula you can use. So the sum of the series is just n divided by 2 times t1 plus tn. So if you know the last term in the series that you're looking, or sequence that you're looking for, you can add them like this. So, for example, if I gave you the 100th term of this sequence, then you could use that last one, because you know what Tn is. But you didn't know what it was, so you had to use the other formula.
Wait, and then TN is like just another way. Oh, what's TN?
Tn, like let's say you're looking for the sum of the first 600 terms, Tn would be that 100th term.
So that's just the term.
Yeah. Or the term you would, but it'd be given to you already, okay? Okay, let's do a couple of examples here. I'm going to read this one out again. It's a very wordy one. It's all word problem. So this is example 1 on page 25. Male fireflies flash in various patterns to signal locations to ward off predators. Fireflies. Different species of fireflies have different flash characteristics, such as the intensity of the flash, the rate of the flash, and the shape of the flash. Suppose that under certain circumstances, a particular firefly flashes twice in the first minute, 4 times in the second minute, and 6 times in the third minute.
Wow.
Very good. Look at you. So it goes 2, 4, 6. So now we want to know what is the number of flashes we want to.
Wait, is that 2 like a minute? Is that equal to minutes?
Yeah, so after 1 minute it did 2, then after 2 minutes it did 4 flashes. So what is the number of flashes after 30 minutes? And what is the total number of flashes? After 30 minutes.
What's the difference with it? Yeah, what is the number of flashes after 30 minutes?
So like after 2 minutes, it did 4 flashes, right? But in total, in those 2 minutes, it did 6 flashes, right? Because you add up the first minute and the second minute together to get the total number of flashes.
What is the number of flashes?
So like it's after 30 minutes.
Oh, so
After
take like
30
the
minutes.
number that 30 minutes is.
Yeah. Then the amount of flashes.
The number is like adding.
Yeah. So this one is a sequence. This one is a series. Because we want the total.
I don't know if they don't.
Okay, D, it's way more easy to understand if you wrote it like in literal as like how many is at 30 minutes.
Yeah, how many flashes?
In total with all of them.
So the number of flashes at 30 minutes.
Oh.
Okay. Sorry, I just copied the
That
textbook.
makes more sense.
Okay. At 30 minutes exactly. How's that?
That makes sense.
Okay. So we're looking for now, for the first one, we want to know what
Oh, that's really lost.
T30 is. We know N is 30.
Wait, and then
Oh my
like
god.
T and P2.
Tn.
No, I mean T I.
T1 would be 2, yeah. And what's my D, my difference?
2.
2. So now to find the 30th term, I can just use the formula.
Wait, what?
You use the first one, alright?
Yeah, the one I gave you yesterday. Why is it? Because you're looking for the 30 after 30 minutes. So that's your 30th term.
If you do the S and one first, you just do both at the same time and get over.
Well, that's N minus F. Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, 30. Oh, whoa, wrong end value. Sorry. Sorry.
I wasn't even looking for it.
There's a lot of 2's going on there, guys. Sorry. Whew. Super embarrassing.
Are you recording?
Jaden and no. What's Sierra now? Okay. This works out to be 30. Questions about that part? Thanks.
Does that work out to be 30?
Yeah, 29 times 2 is 58. 58 plus 2 is...
So equals 60.
Oh, 60. Sorry. Holy cow.
I was like,
Whoa.
what?
Whoa. Whoa.
Did you like sleep last night? Or
No, I didn't.
I was like, where did we subtract them?
I have a tiny human at home that doesn't like to sleep all the time. So,
Oh, she got it.
she's not bad. She just had a rough night. Normally she's pretty good. So, yeah. Okay, so that's my T30. Now, I want to find also the sum after 30 terms. So because I know both the first and the last term, I can use the second formula that I gave you guys. Much simpler to use. You,
But just to find like 1330, could you not just take like, okay, so like since it's going up by 2, then since could you not just do 2
yeah, you could have for this.
for that one?
Yeah. Because it's a very simple one.
Yeah. And it's not like a weird.
Yeah. So you can use either formula that I showed you guys for the next part, but this first the second formula is much easier. So it's 30 divided by 2. So it's going to be 15 times 62.
Isn't it 2? Wait. It's 2. Wait, why is it 2 T's?
I don't know.
That's cool, man.
For like, no, not just for like my phone.
Here?
Oh, wait, or is it 2 times 2, 1?
930?
Wait, so it's just T1 plus T.
Yeah.
That with the emphasize too.
Yeah, that's why we use this formula. It's much quicker.
Could you use this formula for a lot of, for every, or?
As long as you know that term.
Oh, okay.
You need that TN value.
Okay.
Yeah. The other one's not hard either. It's just there's a few extra steps.
Okay, wait, so it's is Sn equals N over 2?
Yeah.
And then, is that plus, then that's like, DRI plus DN.
Yeah. All right.
Giving yourself first, giving yourself a handicap.
Any questions? Dee, how do you feel about this stuff? You weren't here.
Good,
Yeah.
fine.
That's
I
fine.
like the places that won't be like. I walk through the section, maybe like. It's like
Home page.
16. Oh.
Two to 6. Now for 2 to 6, you do not need to do them all. I would do like B and D.
Oh, we're on this side already?
To
Yeah.
56?
2 to 6.
Oh, why does that look like?
Because there was a 5.
It's a 5, bro.
Remember when I was almost looking really fresh.
I'm already there, Sierra.
Also, our page numbers are so low, it's kind of funny.
It's weird bouncing back to the very beginning, eh? All right, there you guys go.